Hello all, welcome to new video on Notepad++ tricks. So we are again going to discuss some useful tricks in Notepad++. I will start with the quick trick. So that is like if you have open any text file in Notepad++ and if you want to know about any word, any particular word, so if you are not aware about that word, you can directly search through Notepad++ itself. Like consider this is a word and I want to know about this word. So you can go to run and then you can directly do Wikipedia search. So it will search that word on your behalf on Wikipedia. So it's a useful trick if you want to quickly know about any word. Now coming to next trick. So consider you have uh, multiple files in your directory and you have written some text in a file and you are not sure about like in which file you have written. So you can directly search here in that particular directory, like if you do search and then find in files. So consider I have to search the word computer and I will select my directory here, and if I do a search here like find all, either you can replace. So if you replace, it will replace in all the files where there is a hit for this word. And if I do find all, so if yeah, you can see like in a particular directory which you have selected, so in that directory it will search that word in all the files. Like this search computer 4 hits in 3 files. So if you see, there is it has found that word in sample1.txt, sample2.txt, sample3.txt, and in sample1.txt it found that word in two lines, line number 12 and 21. Similarly sample 2 and sample 3 in, so it will list all the occurrences of that word in all the files. So it's a useful trick if you are not sure like where that thing you have written, or if you are a programmer, if you want to search for a particular function in all the source code, so you can directly search through this. It's a useful. Now coming to fourth trick. So I will give you a scenario for this so you will understand the importance of this trick. So consider I have a sample4.txt file and I copied this complete text, and somehow that file got deleted before pasting that text. So somehow that file got deleted before pasting that file, and I copied another text. So if you consider this scenario, like I lost that previous file, and the text which I copied from that deleted file, that is also lost because I copied a new text here. So if you want to get that older text, so you can access to Notepad++. So go to this edit and then go to clipboard history. So if you see in clipboard history, it maintains all the copied text. So if you see in the deleted file, I had copied this one. So even if that file is deleted, you can get that because if it maintains all the copy history here. So it's very useful. Hope you liked all these tricks. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.